In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D text effect in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser and heading to your homepage. Click the Create a Design button and choose the format that fits your project. A square Instagram post is great for social, while a poster or presentation slide works well for larger layouts. Don't overthink it. Any preset size will work for this effect. Once your blank canvas opens, go to the text panel and select Add a Heading. A large, editable text box will appear. Type your text, keeping it short and punchy so the 3D effect feels bold and readable. Titles, single words, or short phrases work best. Next, pick a bold font. Thick, heavy fonts give you more surface area for the shadow to peek out, which makes the 3D look stronger. Avoid thin or highly decorative fonts for this technique. Adjust the size so your text is the focal point, and tweak letter spacing if needed for clean edges. Now duplicate the text layer. You can use the copy and paste shortcuts on your keyboard to quickly create a second, identical layer. You'll now have two copies stacked perfectly. The one underneath will become the shadow. Change the color of that bottom layer. A darker shade of your main color creates a clean shadow, while a high contrast color makes the text pop out dramatically. Pick something that stands out against your background. With the bottom layer selected, nudge it slightly to create depth. Move it a few pixels down and to the right, or up and to the left for a different direction. Small movements go a long way. Use your arrow keys for precise control and aim for a subtle offset that suggests depth without breaking legibility. If you want a stronger 3D look, repeat the duplication on the shadow layer and adjust the color and position again. Stacking 2 or 3 shadow copies with consistent spacing can build a thicker, more dimensional edge. Keep the increments consistent so the effect looks intentional and clean. At this point, add a background or supporting elements if you like. A simple solid or gradient background helps your text stand out. Shapes, lines, or subtle graphics can frame the headline, but keep the shadow layers behind your main text so the 3D effect remains clear. When you're happy with the result, click Share, then Download. Choose your preferred format: PNG for crisp quality, JPG for smaller file size, or PDF for print. Save your file, and you're done. Your 3D text effect is ready to use.